I've got a ceiling heater. It's a NuTone. Goes up here like this. It's got that coil, the fan, just a ceiling heater. It stopped working. Well, it never worked since I moved in. House is 1956. So let me go ahead and take this down. Make sure I get the power switch off. Alright. Let's go ahead and take these wire nuts off. Alright. Let's take a look at what we got. Obviously I've already had it apart and I already fixed it, so I know it works. I really didn't expect it to work, but what happens is I turn on the switch and, well, nothing happens, right? So take these 3 screws out to put this on. Just 3 Phillips screws here. Here's the other one. And if you got one of these and it's not doing anything when you turn it on, it's probably the same issue I had. Now if the heater had worked and the fan didn't, well then you get a bad fan, or vice versa. If the fan worked and the heater here didn't work, then you know that something's wrong with that coil. But in my case nothing worked, so I figured let's just take it apart and see what we got. Okay, now I've already fixed this one. So the problem is this guy right here. This I didn't know what it was, and I went ahead and Googled the numbers on here, and I was able to find a replacement part, but I ordered it on eBay. It's way bigger. This is it here. So this is the part originally. It bridged in between here, which is your hot wire coming from the ceiling, to here, and it just went right across here. And it's just a little thermostat. It protects it from overheating. I think 250 degrees it'll shut off. So normally this is open from here, from here to here. You put a meter on it, it should be open, and I mean closed. It should be closed. And then when it gets over 250 degrees, I guess it shuts down. So it closes this. But this unit here, this little piece, was bad. I tried to take it apart, and I couldn't fix it. I don't know how it works. Just a little mechanical thermostat inside of there. So here's the new piece, and it's much bigger. I thought it was just gonna fit in that same spot, you know, and I could just wire it up. But no, I had to screw it onto the top here, and I just used the sheet metal screw and self-tapped it into there, and then I just went ahead and soldered it. Originally I had the ring terminal on here. There it goes. I had a ring terminal that went onto this middle one here. But now we're bypassing this, so we're not even going to use this one out of the 3 here. See it? Here's what it looks like on the other side. So now we're not going to use this middle one anymore. It just kept that hot isolated, and then you had that one-piece bridging in between here, that thermostat. The I'm sure it's safety shut off, something like that. So here's the new one. It's got the same number on it. It's an L250-40F, and 250 is the temperature. And that's the only number that matched, but I figured that's what its purpose is shut it off at 250 degrees, and that's what that one does, even though it's much bigger. So I went ahead and just wired it. The hot coming from the ceiling now is just soldered onto this end, and then instead of going to that third one here, it's just going directly to here. and then this is going to where that bridge before. So now I have that red terminal there, ring terminal. So I'm just bypassing it. I put it back just so it's on there, but it's not touching anything. So I just put it back for no reason really, just other than to keep it with it. So that actually works. You can get that part on eBay. Here it is again. But you can just Google this L250-40F. And I just happened to buy this one. It was about $8. It's the cheapest one. And free shipping on eBay. So that'll fix it. She's back together. Turning it on. Running. Yeah, she's glowing red now. There you go, $8. It's working again.